Welcome to English with Hassane 1 and 2. Here, we make learning English fun, simple, and exciting. Whether you're improving your grammar, building your vocabulary, or mastering pronunciation, you're in the right place. Channel English with Hassane 1 is your go-to for bite-sized tips and lessons in English translated into Arabic, while Channel English with Hassane 2 just in English and dives deeper with challenges and interactive activities. Join the journey, and let's speak English with confidence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing content.
Pronunciation practice. Practice your pronunciation. Enjoy pronouncing words. Let's enjoy pronouncing words together. So the sound E is generally present in words that have IE. But I should tell you that not all the words that have IE they are pronounced long E. So this is very difficult in English. But I chose for you the words that have IE that are pronounced long E. So I repeat, not all the words that have IE so they are pronounced long E. No. It's not correct. So many words or a lot of words, they have IE, but they are not pronounced long E. So this is just to tell you from the very beginning before we start pronouncing words. So in this lesson 12, I chose for you the most known words that have IE but are pronounced long E. Let's start with the first verb. So when you see four words the same, so it means that it's a verb. So I gave you the present simple with the present simple and the present simple with S, and I gave you the past simple and the present participle. So to know how to pronounce these four forms of the verb. So let's start with the first one. The first one is achieve. So we have long E. Achieve. Achieve. The second one, achieves. Achieves. The third one, achieved. Achieved. The last one, achieving. Achieving. So let's repeat after me. The first one, achieve. Achieves. Achieved. Achieving. So you see that we have this word, okay, has IE and it is pronounced long E. Let's go to the next slide. The first word, a field. A field. Let's repeat after me. A piece. A piece. Grief. Series. Series. Let's repeat after me. A field. A piece, grief, series, series. Let's go to the next slide. Believe, believe, believes, believes, believed, believed, believing, believing. So let's repeat after me. Believe, believes, believed, believing. Let's go to the next slide. Unbelieve, unbelieves, unbelieved, unbelieving. Let's repeat after me. Unbelieve, unbelieves, unbelieved, unbelieving. Let's go to the next. Disbelieve, disbelieves, disbelieved, disbelieving. Let's repeat after me. Disbelieve, disbelieves, disbelieved, disbelieving. Let's go to the next slide. Brief, briefs, briefly, briefness. Let's repeat after me. Brief, briefs, briefly, briefness. Let's go to the next slide. Belief, chief, relief, thief. Let's repeat after me. Belief, chief, relief, thief. Let's go to the next slide. Besiege, besieges, besieged, besieging. Let's repeat after me. Besiege, besieges, besieged, besieging. Let's go to the next slide. Thief, fiefdom, fiend, fiendish. Let's repeat after me. Thief, fiefdom, fiend, fiendish. Let's continue. Grieve, grieves, grieved, grieving. Let's repeat after me. Grieve, grieves, grieved, grieving. Let's go to the next slide. Niece, field, peace, shield. Let's repeat after me. Niece, field, peace, shield. Let's go to the next slide. Relieve, relieves, relieved, relieving. Let's repeat after me. Relieve, relieves, relieved, relieving. Let's go to the next slide. Retrieve, retrieves, retrieved, retrieving. Let's repeat after me. Retrieve, retrieves, retrieved, retrieving. Let's continue. Shriek, shrieks, shrieked, shrieking. Let's repeat after me. Shriek, shrieks, shrieked, shrieking. Let's continue. Thief, thieves, thieved, thieving. Let's repeat after me. Thief, thieves, thieved, thieving. Let's continue. Wield, wields, wielded, wielding. Let's repeat after me. Wield, wields, wielded, wielding. Let's go to the last verb. Yield, yields, yielded, yielding. Let's repeat after me. Yield, yields, yielded, yielding.
Thanks for watching English with Hassane 1 and 2. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Leave us a comment with your thoughts or questions, and we'll see you in the next video, God willing. Bye for now.